Alright, so today is Thursday, the 31st of October, and we have just landed in Philadelphia from Nashville. We took an afternoon flight, and now we are here. We'll be here for the next 4 nights, including today. And the plan is to go around the city, maybe visit the University of Pennsylvania campus where my brother graduated from, and also maybe a day trip to Washington, which is about, I think, 3 hours from here. So yes, that's the plan, and we'll keep you posted.
In a half mile, take left exit 22 onto Callawhill Street using the second lane from the left.
Yeah, picture for
Using the right lane.
Benjamin. Alright, so we are in Philadelphia, and it's about 4 p.m. right now. We rested for the entire day because we've been continuously traveling all around, and a friend of mine came over, so we just chilled at home. And now at 4 we're just taking a walk around the old city. We'll be walking to the Independence Hall, and maybe from there to another place nearby. So yes, that's the plan. So this region here of the old city is extremely important. Right before me is the Independence Hall, the place where the Constitution was signed, and opposite to that now you have the National Constitution Center. Seems like a gallery, a sort of museum to talk more about, you know, the importance of this place. A big bus right there, a visitor center. That there is the Independence Hall, Congress Hall to the side. This is Chestnut Street, and on the opposite side is the Art Street, which is again in this entire region is perhaps the most historical place. The entire region, in fact, of the entire country, because of, you know, the new nation of United States, of course. You know, the Constitution, the formation of, you know, the state happened here.
Her friend, like,
this here is the old city hall. This here is the Independence Hall.
what happened here?
oh, right. All right, when you say here, that's an open. No, there's nothing in that building, so you're not missing.
You see this nice little park, sort of a place over here with all these historical buildings all around. This here is the Independence Hall once again, the place where the Constitution was debated and ratified, signed into action. This here is the Congress Hall. Earlier I pointed wrongly to the one behind it, but this is actually the one. And you can go in. So this here was the Congress Hall. statue of George Washington. Alright, so we're here at the Philadelphia Museum of Art, and apparently the sunset view from here is pretty good, so that's what I'm here for. You can see the sun setting and it's almost about time, so I'll go to a right spot. And right, so to the left you have the Museum of Art, and right in front you have downtown Philadelphia. You can see all of the tall buildings around there. Sun setting on this side. Continue walking. So right here you have the front entrance of the museum, and going there you have the setting sun. An event coming up.
को भेज दे, एक हफ्ते तो रुक जाएगा सालों में। एक हफ्ते में कितना आएगा डिफरेंस टिकट?
भाई बहुत आएगा। अभी वन वे 50।